Hi guys, so this video is all about growing peanuts. I decided to plant peanuts so to restore the soil's fertility. After 2 planting seasons, I noticed that the soil is not as good as it used to be. So to give back nitrogen to the soil, to decrease its pH level, I decided to plant peanuts. And now, peanuts can mature 120 to 150 days from the time of planting. So we planted these first week of December, so this should be a good time to harvest them. And also, an indicator would be when the leaves would turn yellow and they would start to wilt and droop. So that's a sign that the peanuts is now good enough to be harvested. First thing to do is to prepare the field where we will plant our peanuts. We need 8 to 12 inches of space in between each plant. So what I am doing now is loosening the soil, and at the same time I'm toning my arms. Who needs the gym when we sweat it out like this in the garden? Next, we put a seed 2 inches deep into each mound. It's truly amazing how a single seed can grow and produce lots of food for everyone. Aside from putting back nutrients to the soil, peanuts are known to be a food for the brain. Peanuts help prevent heart disease by lowering cholesterol levels. Foods with lots of protein can help you feel full with fewer calories. So this is now the growth of our peanuts at almost 2 months. We planted this first week of December, and yeah, they're now 2 months old. So these are now our peanuts at 3 months, right? 3 months. We planted this first week of December, guys, and so December, January, February, and today's March already. So they're about 3 months now and growing well, growing nice. When do we harvest peanuts? Pila ka months?
5 months.
5 months? Okay, so before we harvest all of these, let's do some testing. Let's try at least one and to see if it's good enough. Take note that it only takes one seed for each plant to grow, and each plant can produce a lot of pods. So let me show you one. So to harvest it, let's be careful not to break. Here's another one. Wow, ants. I hate ants. Nag-break na sila. So here is some testing. So we'll be harvesting the rest tomorrow. It takes quite a lot of time actually to harvest this field of peanuts right here. So let's have an early wake up call tomorrow. Yay! The peanuts.
And after putting them out from the field, we shake the excess soil from the roots. Check the soil too to make sure you aren't leaving any pods behind. And then we detach the pods from the roots and brush off any remaining soil. And let's wash the dirt away and cook our peanuts right away. And that's how you grow peanuts.